Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out if someone has added you back on Snapchat or not. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now go to the Friends section by tapping on the Friends icon at the bottom of the screen. I have recently added a friend on Snapchat. So let me show you with that. Now tap on the search icon on bottom left corner. I have recently added this friend. If she had added me back, then I would be able to see her Snap score just below her name. Now there is another way to find out if the person has added you back or not. Now go back. Now tap on the chats icon at the bottom of the screen and send that person a message. If the message is pending, that means that person has not added you back. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.